Hi, this video will show you the different methods to access the full text to your article so you can avoid frustration and save time. First, let's run a search on sleep deprivation. You're able to tell what type of media a resource is by looking above the titles. For articles, it will say academic journal, journal article academic journal, or journal peer-reviewed journal. The Access Now PDF button will take you to a PDF version of the article. In the Access Options dropdown, the different ways you can find the article can be found here. Options may include PDF, online full text via an external database, open access article, request this item through Interlibrary loan, and find it at ISU. We'll go through each option so that you'll know what to expect. Clicking on the PDF option will take you to a PDF version of the article, similar to the Access Now PDF function. Online full text will take you to an online version of the article within the search engine. Some articles have the full text available through an external database. Click on Full Text via Clinical Key to be taken to a new tab where the article is. For more information on how to work and search through databases, please view our videos dedicated to the topic. Open access articles are available for free through a database or online. Click on this option to find the article on the external website. Sometimes you might see an open access option in the drop-down menu along with the interlibrary loan option. If there is, you won't need to request an interlibrary loan since the article is already available for free. Just select Open Access PDF to view the text. However, if Idaho State University doesn't have access to a particular article, the Access Options dropdown will only have Request this item through Interlibrary Loan as an option. Click on it to be taken to a page where you can log in with your Interlibrary Loan account and request that we get the article for you from another library. Before you go through the process of requesting an interlibrary loan, please search to see if your article is elsewhere. You can do this by copying the journal or source title from an article and pasting it into the search bar under the Journals by Title tab, which can be found on the library's homepage. Here, you can see that there is a 1-year delay until we get full text access to articles published in this journal. Unfortunately, the article that we're using as an example was published in September of 2024, so we can't view it this way. The next way you can further search before requesting an interlibrary loan is searching a title in Google Scholar, which can be accessed in our Databases tab from the library's homepage. It's important to use this Google Scholar link since it's affiliated with the university, so your search results will include what is regularly available in Google Scholar as well as full text that ISU offers. Sometimes you'll be able to find the article this way. However, in this article's case, you can see that we are unable to view the full text. If you've tried these methods with no luck, then requesting an interlibrary loan will be your next step. If you need further help on this process, there are additional videos on our YouTube page about it. This last option, Find it at ISU, might help you find the full text of an article. We will go through the steps to locate it, but keep in mind that this may not work for everything. If it doesn't, that just means ISU doesn't have access to it. First, after clicking on Find it at ISU, you'll be taken to another page, typically to the journal's website that has the article. We need to know the date it was published and the volume, which you can go back to the article to find, and scroll until you see source. Now that we know the date, go back to the other tab and search for the March 2024 issue. Once you find it, scroll until you see the article. Websites may differ on how you can access your article, but this one has a nice easy view PDF button. And here's the article. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you need more information on how to best use the library's resources, subscribe to our channel and check out all of our other videos. Go Bengals!